I got it down here. Fall off and throw up. Yeah, look at this. I've never seen this before. The Lottie ring pop. Hey, open. Hey, let me break into your house. Okay, look at this. This looks like a nail polish. It's a nail polish, bruh. You can never see this a nail polish. You like, it will say, what the? Your nail polish will say, nothing. Oh. This is a candy, not a lollipop. This is the sauce. Let's put it in there. Wait, I need to put it so I never spill it. No. Oh. Can I have some? Salad. Yum. Can I have some? Yum. Yummy, this looks like almost an ice cream. I taste like yours. It tastes like yours, Camilla. Yeah. Ah! It flashed me. I want to see a light. Lights? You can't have lights. There's no lights. There's no button, Brett. No button? Hey, don't show me. I would love this. I love this one. Let's put it in place. Oh, you can put it here, Mommy. Right here. No, sir. Hey, this is squeaky and sour. You like this nail polish? It is not a nail polish. It is. Okay. This is my nail polish. No, this is my nail polish. I take fashion. Isabella, let me, Isabella, let me. No, Lenny can't see this. This is too sour. Don't worry. I love sour. Okay, I love sour too. Just kidding, I just love sour. Okay, this one fell off. I'm sorry. This is blood. I think it almost looked like blood. Because of this little to dry it. I got it. Yummy. I love sweet sour. Mommy, is it nail polish candy?
Lipstick.
Lipstick? You can actually eat it. This yummy is. Mommy, what is this called?
It's ice cream.
This is not ice cream.
No. It's a.
Lolly.
No.
Lollipop?
No, it's not lollipop. It's
Almost look like an ice cream.
yeah, no, not ice cream.
I would call this ice cream lollipop because I almost look like an ice cream. Now this is called an ice cream lollipop.
Popsicle. It's a popsicle, yeah.
Okay,
Popsicle.
let's put in my ice cream. That's not ice cream. That's a popsicle. I know this one is a popsicle.
You don't do that.
I can just put on dripping. So squishy. Hey, Isabel, I will give you more. Don't give it a lot. Okay. Okay, that's enough. What means that? There's chocolate. It looks like a booty.
Hey, stop saying that.
Almost look like that. Almost look like a lolly. Hey, can I try in the dark when it's not in the morning? I see. Look like a spinner. Spinner? Mhm. I want to try in the night and take it. You can see a spinner, guys. This is not a spinner. There's a spinner inside. You can see it. Where's it? Here. Okay. Next to a page. Hey. Can we move your body? Your body's in the way. Your pinky toe. Nobody can say the happy one. This is your last chance. Let me eat you. Yum, yum, yum. We have the video. You can stop for everything, or you can like to eat this. Hey, you can buy this at Walmart. You want to taste? Taste. Hey, eat it. No, which one is to taste good? Mine. No, mine wins. Sour. Squishy sour. Thank you. Squishy. Hey! 1, 2, 3. Hey, you wanna try? You wanna try? You wanna try? You wanna try? I win. Okay, I'll taste that. Hurry, I'll taste that. Let me taste that. Wait, I want to put sugar in it and try. So, bye-bye. I'm going to say bye-bye to the lollipop. There we go.